Now that I have the bottle rockets tore out of the grosses, we're going to take them out of this bag. If you'll look at the end of these bottle rockets actually, I believe, have gotten smaller over the years since I was a kid shooting these things, and they surely ain't near as good. I can look at the end of this bottle rocket, and I can't hold the camera and do this all at the same time, but I swear they don't look a lot of difference, but I still think the premium looking bottle rocket there looks a lot better on the end of it. BlackCat is my favorite brand, but we're going to find out who's actually the best when it comes to bottle rockets. Hold tight. Now that I have them all three torn out, at the end of them, they look so close. Looking at them, the differences, can't hardly tell them the difference besides the wrappers itself. Now we're going to go out and test them. Here we go. We're going to test the generic. It's kind of windy, so we're going to check and see if we can even get it lit. It's lit. It's lit. Let's go with it. Not very loud. So we're going to test a premium. They look a lot alike, but bottle rockets, and I'm using the Excalibur tube to launch bottle rockets out of. If you look right here, it says premium. That way you know there's nothing different. Here we go. That was lit. A lot louder, but it didn't go very good. So the generic went better on that one. But we're going to try 12 of each just to really get a good comparison, because you can have bad ones. There we go. That BlackCat. The BlackCat sounded a little bit louder than even the premium. And it definitely went better, but it didn't really go that much better than any of them. Alright, so that's the generic. We're going to put a BlackCat in between them. And then we're going to put premium together. Now, unfortunately, it's so windy, I doubt I can get them all three lit at the same time. Hold that thought. Now, since it's windy, it don't want to light. So I use a big brush torch and it will light them. Here we go. All three's lit. And to tell you the truth, the generic and the premium, neither one did any good. That's two premiums that I'm not real impressed with. Let's try this again. But we're going to do 3 premiums and see what happens. Let's go. Well, one of them did really well. So we're going to do a couple of BlackCat. We're going to do 3 BlackCats. Or, yeah, 3 BlackCats. Well, I'll say I'm going to do 3. Need something bigger, smaller than the Excalibur tube. But here we go. There we go. I gotta say the BlackCat is a little bit better in my opinion. We're gonna see if that holds true with all of these. We're gonna try to light that many of the generics. Here we go. Some of them didn't even leave the tube. The generics. And it did pretty well. amazing. There's not really a whole lot of difference between these, but I have seen several of the generics just not do well over the years, and I don't like selling them in my stores. But here we go. Well, I gotta say the World Class Premium is not one of my more favorite bottle rockets at all. Here we go, we got two generics down in there. I've always been partial to the BlackCat bottle rocket, and they gave me the premium to test. Well, that was two generics launched and only one exploded. Here we go, BlackCat. And one of the BlackCats didn't leave the tube before it exploded. One of them's in the tube. Ah, yeah, fuse went out. Let's just say, I believe the BlackCat is the better one. But I also, difference in the price, the BlackCat versus the generic, I can't tell that there's any difference, worth the difference in the price, even though I am a big advocate for BlackCat when it comes to bottle rockets. When it comes to 500 gram items, I am a big advocate for World Class brand. 200 gram items, I can sell a lot of each, and I pick the best of the best, whether it's BlackCat or World Class, to carry in my stores. When it comes to artillery shells, 60 gram canisters, hands down, the Excalibur is the best. I have fired the Excalibur, the Black Mamba, the Diablo, and Divide and Conquer, or Conquer and Divide, however you say it. And all four of them I fired with a firing system to shoot them at exactly the same time. And the Excalibur, hands down, is the best. This is Bob with Billy Bob's Fireworks, over and out.